It's Thursday, March 5th, 2015, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast. As of 11 in the morning, it's mostly cloudy and cold. There could also be a few snow flurries floating around. Average high temperatures for March 5th are 42 degrees in Cleveland, and we're in the low to mid teens right now, so much colder than normal, as you can probably guess, which has been a common theme lately. Most of the snow stayed to our south last night as I throw on some snowfall reports that are coming in this morning from southern Ohio into Kentucky. You can see a lot of areas got over 6 inches of snow in southern Ohio last night. Some areas got upwards of 14 inches close to the Ohio River last night, with more snow as you head back towards northwestern Kentucky. Several reports of upwards of 18 inches of snow in northwestern Kentucky last night into this morning. That's a major snowstorm down there. So if you're driving to the south today, might not be a good idea. You might want to wait until later tonight or tomorrow until they can get some of that cleared up, and we'll take a wider look at the country here in just a second. Taking a look across the entire country now, another major blast of cold into the Midwest, diving well into the south. You can see a huge portion of the Midwest was below zero this morning, and we're going to actually deal with some of that tonight. You can see some wintry precipitation getting well into the south. Jackson, Mississippi here, where they are falling into the 20s right now, reporting sleet and freezing rain this morning. A lot of sleet in northern Alabama, and you can also see this expansive shield of snow. DC to Philadelphia to New York, getting heavy snow this morning, so that's going to slow down travel to the eastern U.S. if you're going by plane. Elsewhere across the country, it's quiet, but a lot of the major East Coast hubs are being affected by this winter storm this morning, so that will definitely slow down travel across the region. Coming back to Cleveland, looking at the numbers, yesterday was 36.21 at Hopkins, below the averages of 42.27. Records for today are 81. Yes, it can get warm in early March, and 2 below zero. A trace of rain at Hopkins yesterday in the morning. A little over half an inch of precip on the month, 4.5 inches of snow that fell on Sunday. We're running right around normal for the yearly precipitation. Sunrise is before 7 a.m. now, sunset 6:22 tonight. And for the rest of today, clouds are going to hang on. We might see a few more peaks of sun by late afternoon. It's going to be cold, temperatures struggling to get above 15, and then tonight we're going to clear things out a little bit, and we still have a deep snowpack that's going to let temperatures drop to near or a bit below zero tonight, which could break some more record lows. We're hoping, and I think this will be accurate, that this will be the last sub-zero night until next winter. All right, looking ahead now on one of our forecast computer models, winter storm pulls off to the east later today into tonight. High pressure builds in from the west. There could just be enough moisture trapped across Ohio to get a few flurries this afternoon into this evening. That would be the extent of it. No accumulations tonight. High pressure moves right overhead, clears the skies, lets temperatures drop. And then as we head into Friday, we start getting into a southwesterly wind flow, and that'll persist into the weekend. A couple of weak disturbances will skirt us just to the north, and that could bring a little bit of light rain or snow shower action at various points through the weekend. Nothing heavy, nothing that'll accumulate. It'll be a little milder this weekend than we've been. You can see as each system goes by, you get a little chance of precipitation here on the model. And then as we head into early next week, high pressure moves back in and we start warming back up. So for the first time in a long time, the 7-day is rather monotonous, which is good. We're still rather cold tomorrow, with clouds increasing during the afternoon. And then during the weekend, there could be a couple chances for light snow or rain showers. I left Sunday dry optimistically. We might need to put a small chance back in there with high temperatures in the 30s, still a little bit below average. And then next week, we look to get a prolonged stretch of dry weather, at least a few days, with temperatures warming to near normal or even a little bit above normal, which will feel very warm compared to what we've been dealing with for the last couple of months. All right, with NeoWeather.com, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching. Check us out again tomorrow.